What are you doing, little guy? Nope, trying to get back in there. That's okay. We'll put you back in. Hey, no biting me. I'm helping you. All right. Here, let's get a good look at you for the camera. Yep, just a Muscovy. Extremely friendly little guys, and another friendly little guy right here. A little bit of a different size. Ain't it right? Yep. Totally cool people. Don't even have to hold them or anything like that to make them personable. They just kind of are that way. Oop. We're not too fond of chickens, though. A little scared of them. Which is why they're in the netting. They actually don't go anywhere, but the chickens try to get in there with them.